In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AirDrop to transfer a file from your iPhone to your computer. So I already took a video, so I can see my video here. I can click on camera. The way I like to get to my video is I always use this and go to my camera app, but there are multiple ways to get to it. I'm going to click over here. So this is a video that I took. So you can see I just took a video looking at my plants and all that kind of stuff. So let me pause it. So to transfer it with AirDrop, I'm going to press on this little send button in the bottom left. And then I already have my thing here, but if you don't, you're going to click on AirDrop. And then you should find your devices as long as your computer and your iPhone are on the same network and you connected it with AirDrop, or you actually enabled AirDrop on your computer. So I'm going to click here. Now it's sending. You can see the status. And now the file is on my computer. So now the file is on my computer. So to see my file, I have to go to Downloads. I can click on the Finder right over here. And then Downloads. And as you can see, my file's right here. I recommend you rename it. I'm going to rename it to something like test file, or actually test recording. And then I can open it up. Alright, so these are some of the plants that I have on my patio. And now, let's close everything and take a look at how to make sure that AirDrop is actually enabled. To make sure you're receiving AirDrops on your Mac, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your Finder. And then here you should have something called AirDrop. It may be in a different area, but you have to find AirDrop and open it up. You'll see something that looks like this. And what's important here is you have to make sure this is correct. Allow me to be discovered by, and you can actually check. If you put no one, that means nothing can AirDrop to you. Contacts only are people in your contacts, and everyone is anyone in your area on the same network, even if they're not in your contacts. So I like to leave it on contacts only. Make sure that is done. And now let's take a look at the phone side of things. Okay, so on your phone, to make sure you have all your AirDrop settings enabled, go to Settings, and it'll actually look like this for you. This is the main level of settings. From here, go to General, and then go to AirDrop, and make sure one of these two, not these two, this one or this one is selected. Once you have this selected right here, as long as your devices are updated to enough, or if they're close in their versions, it should work. If your phone is on a very old version and your Mac is on a very new version, you might have some issues, but as long as you're somewhere close, this should work for you just fine.